If your video looks shaky, here's how to stabilize a video in CapCut. So first you have to open up your CapCut and go to the new project section. Now choose the video you want to stabilize and then go to add to bring it into the timeline. So once your clip is added, click on the video in the timeline so the editing tools appear. Now scroll through the editing panel until you find the stabilize option. So when you open stabilize, CapCut gives you 3 different levels. The first one is minimal cropping, which is best for slightly shaky videos where you don't want to lose much of the frame. And the second one is recommended, a balance option that works well for most videos. The last one is most stable, which is perfect for very shaky footage, but it may crop the video more and can sometimes look a bit unnatural. So choose the option that matches how shaky your video is, and after selecting one, CapCut will start analyzing and stabilize the clip automatically. Play the video to compare the result, and if it looks too cropped, you can switch to another stabilized level and preview again. Once the process finishes, play the video to compare the result. Now your video is ready. Just click export and save the video and check it in your gallery to see the smooth and stabilized result. And that's how you can easily stabilize shaky video in CapCut easily. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.